Suspended National Deputy Police Commissioner General Shadrack Sibiya returned to the witness stand at the Madlanga Commission on Monday, as President Cyril Ramaphosa signaled he will withhold judgment on Police Minister Senzo Mchunu until the inquiry concludes its work. Sibiya is expected to continue facing cross-examination over his role in the controversial disbandment of the Political Killings Task Team, PKTT, a specialized unit established to tackle politically motivated violence. Ramaphosa placed Mchunu on special leave following the explosive allegations made by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who accused the minister of corruption and political interference. Mkhwanazi alleged that Mchunu intervened to dissolve the PKTT to shield individuals linked to politically connected crime syndicates. He further claimed that the minister had ties to tender Premier Vusimuzi Matlala, whose 360 million rand police contract has since been cancelled. Presidential spokesperson Vincent Magwenya said Ramaphosa is awaiting the completion of Mchunu's testimony before determining his political future, and said he hasn't concluded giving evidence to the commission. There are still allegations he must answer to. The president wants the full picture at the end of the commission's work before deciding on the appropriate course of action. Magwenya confirmed that the commission's interim report will be made public alongside its final findings. He described the revelations emerging from the inquiry as deeply troubling, but said the presidency had already begun acting on some of the recommendations, and said the president has directed that an investigative team follow up on the interim's report's recommendations. Action has already been taken against certain individuals. We are not simply waiting for the commission to conclude. Last month, Ramaphosa welcomed the interim findings, which pointed to prima facie evidence of wrongdoing involving several current and former officials from the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality, as well as senior members of the South African Police Service. The commission, chaired by the former Constitutional Court Judge Boyiseni Madlanga, was established by Ramaphosa to probe allegations of corruption, criminality and political interference within South Africa's criminal justice system. Parallel to the judicial inquiry, Parliament has constituted an ad hoc committee to independently examine Mkhwanazi's claims, underscoring the political and institutional gravity of the allegations. As proceedings continue, the spotlight remains fixed on both Sibiya's testimony and the looming question of whether Mchunu will survive the political storm once the commission delivers its final report. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.